Recently, the cryptocurrency Solana, currently ranked 5th by market capitalization, registered a noticeable price jump. This growth was triggered by the well-known New York investment management firm, VanEck, filing an application to register the VanEck Solana Trust, Exchange Traded Fund, ETF, marking the first attempt to launch a spot ETF based on Solana in the USA. Recently, a similar step was taken by the Canadian firm Zeekcore, which filed a preliminary prospectus for the issuance of the Solana Fund, as well as the company 20 on shares. All these applications have generated significant interest and speculation regarding the future trajectory of Solana's prices. Bloomberg senior ETF analyst James Sefford predicts that an ETF based on Solana may appear on the market as early as 2020. Before this news, Solana was already on a recovery path. The cryptocurrency was able to recover from the fall to $123, which occurred on June 24 and stabilized between $135 and $135. Thanks to this, short-term indicators shifted from bearish to bullish, increasing Solana's attractiveness among day traders. Recent events have pushed the asset's price to the resistance level of $140, which promises good prospects. ChatGPT predicted Solana's price. To obtain a well-balanced forecast for Solana's price trajectory, ChatGPT was used, taking into account the possible effect of the appearance of an ETF based on Solana in 3 scenarios: conservative, balanced, and optimistic. These scenarios consider the potential impact of the exchange, traded fund based on expected market conditions, regulatory environment, and adoption rates. Conservative scenario. In this scenario, the approval and adoption of the Solana-based ETF may be limited by serious challenges from regulators. These challenges could include possible delays and an overly cautious approach by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in reviewing applications, which may limit the flow of institutional funds. Due to regulatory uncertainty, investors are likely to remain cautious, limiting the capital inflow. Therefore, in this case, Solana-based ETFs may attract very modest investments, indicating overall market caution. Such a restrained approach may lead to a potential price increase of only 1.3 times compared to the current figure, reaching approximately $195. Balanced scenario. This scenario is based on a stable and moderately favorable regulatory environment, which may facilitate the approval of Solana-based ETFs. Growing interest from institutional investors, driven by Solana's technological advantages and market potential, may lead to significant capital inflows. Consequently, Solana-based ETFs could capture a significant portion of the inflows previously directed to Bitcoin ETFs, potentially leading to a 3-fold increase, reaching a price of approximately $525. Optimistic scenario. According to this scenario, significant positive shifts may occur, such as a change in the SEC leadership, which could accelerate the approval of Solana-based ETFs. In this case, large institutional players, attracted by the blockchain's performance and potential, may begin to invest significant funds in Solana-based ETFs. This scenario suggests substantial inflows, as Solana ETFs capture a significant share of inflows from Bitcoin ETFs, potentially leading to an 8-fold increase to approximately $1,200.